Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I decided that I'm gonna change my fake nail polish. I am using my electric nail polisher to remove the designs on my fake nails. Then I will be doing a marble nail art, so all I need to use are the three colors of gel polishes that I purchased online. I'm using gelish foundation or the base coat, so I'm applying it gently on my fake nails. Just be careful that it won't stick to your skin, and then cure it for 60 seconds. I'm using this white gel polish as my first coat. Just to let you know guys, the consistency of this gel is very thin, so I suggest that you make 3 coatings. And also don't forget to cure every time you coat, and cure it for 30 seconds. I'm doing now my second coat. So just put it gently and make sure that you won't make a mess. Before I do the nail art, I will do the last coating of the white polish. So this time I won't be curing it. So I will be mixing these 2 colors for my marble design. It will be the black and white. You can use any nail art brushes, but it's very nice to use a tiny brush. Mine, I purchased it in Watsons at 248 pesos. Inside the package are different sizes of brushes with different functions that you can play with. So it's just cheap. Marble design is amazingly easy to do. Just keep swirling the colors together. Use a nail art brush, some alcohol to wipe in case you've got too much of the gel polish. It's just so easy to do. It's like you're painting. So I'll just do the rest of my nails, and then I will cure this for 60 seconds or 1 minute. After curing for a minute, I will add up this very cute color pink. It's just to brighten my nails. Just few brushes of pink colors, and then don't forget to cure. Then lastly, I will be putting a top coat just to seal the edges and my nail art designs. So cure it for 60 seconds or 1 minute. Just put a top coat guys, not so thick, just enough. So here it is. I'm done with my one hand. And so for my next hand, if you're in a hurry, and you don't have that much time, I made the nail art first on my fake nails. So these ones, I painted them before sticking on my nail beds. So I use the glue and then just stick it. When you put the glue very thin, not overflowing, because it will be really messy if you do that. Then stick the fake nails in 45 degree first so that there won't be air, or so that it will stick well. And please press hard. So here it is. I've done my 10 nails. I hope you learned and enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget also to click the bell below so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. See you next. Bye!